Hello, my name is Hibaq Ali. I work as a project technical manager on a construction site for Redrow, London. The reason why I chose this industry is going back home, I realised that if we were going to better our people and better our country, a good place would be to start by building homes and schools for our community. Probably the biggest challenge is being a young Somali black Muslim girl wearing a hijab on a construction site, but to be honest, I always try to use the negatives and transfer them over to positives. Probably my biggest achievement was when I was back in Hargeisa and I was working with the UN, really working on a project where we built 360 homes for IDPs, internationally displaced people, and seeing their faces is probably the reason why I do what I do. My future plan is to ultimately move back home. I need to gain enough experience and knowledge in my field to be able to better our people and in return better our country, inshallah.